Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. Looking across the market, if you already missed my emergency video, I strongly encourage you guys to go watch that. It's very, very important, jam-packed with a lot of information. So I strongly encourage everyone to go watch that. But looking across the market, another day, more sea of red. We've seen the price of Bitcoin have that retracement that we were talking about. So like I said, if you want to know about the overall market structure, strongly encourage you guys to go watch that video specifically. But now let's get right in today's price, which is in regards to Vechain. What's happening? Where is the price going in the immediate short term? Are we about to set new yearly lows? A lot of questions being asked. So that's what we're going to talk about today. As always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, right in front of us, it is currently trading at 0.025 cents, down 9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 4.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $1.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $83.7 million. But right off the bat, if you are part of the Vechain community, I got something crazy to show you. Yes, you've heard that right. I got something insane to show you, and this is bullish. Yes, that you've heard that right. This is bullish, what I'm about to show you guys right now. So if we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, you guys can see we're sitting at 0.025 cents. So, we have seen obviously about 9.7%, 9 to 10% drop within the price of Bitcoin. But once again, we are seeing these previous resistance levels out here playing as a level of support for the price of Vechain. Also wanted to share something very interesting with you guys. So you guys can see Bitcoin has dropped about 6%. So generally speaking, historically speaking, whenever Bitcoin drops about 6 to 7%, we do tend to see altcoins go down double that. So if it was 6%, most altcoins would go down about 10, 11, 12 plus percent. And we're seeing that across the board. You guys can see a lot of coins are down about 10% or more, but we're seeing Vechain down about 9%. So this shows strength. This does show strength, but what I'm about to share with you guys is going to blow your mind. So obviously we have retraced, and again, this retracement, if someone's going to come in the comment section and say, oh wow, Vechain is dumping, you guys are free to just leave the channel. Like just leave, just click away, because everything in the market right now is down. So don't just point out Vechain right now, it's the entire market. And quite impressively, Vechain is holding quite strong in my personal opinion. But that does not mean we can see more downside. But now I'm going to share with you guys something very interesting, and that thing is this right here. Look what just happened today. Look at this. So you guys can see, as soon as the price touched a 2.47 cents mark, we saw the price of Vechain almost head back to where it was prior to yesterday. So we saw a wick of almost 8.2%. So this basically means that a lot of longs, either it was longs or spot trade, happened around here. Or also what this could mean is that someone might have had either limit orders placed around here, or someone market bought, which pushed the price of Vechain back up to where it was. And that shows there is money on the sidelines right now. But this does not mean that we can't see the price of Vechain start dropping lower. This definitely does not mean that right now. We could definitely see the price going lower right now because of Bitcoin. Bitcoin literally touched the neckline of that $22,000 support line, which you guys know on my channel is so important. If we go below it, we turn bearish on our channel, and you guys cannot make this up. Price of Bitcoin literally touched $22,000 mark and saw that level play as a level of support, which is a positive thing to take away, most definitely. But now comes the question, where could the price of Vechain be headed in the immediate short term? So if the price of Bitcoin were to fall below $22,000, number one, we get bearish, and as most importantly, if it goes below the $21,400 level of support, then there's a very, very strong likelihood that Bitcoin can retrace down to these levels. $18,000 is definitely on the table at that point, in my personal opinion, and that would mean a drop of about 11 to 12%. So we're looking at roughly 25% to 20% retracement in the price of Vechain, give or take, if it were to drop from $21,000 mark. So if we do think that the price were to drop from its current levels down to that would put the retracement of BTC at currently about 16%. So we could say that Vechain would drop about 25 to 30%. So where would that put the price of Vechain if that were to happen? So let's look at that. If I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, let's go 30%. Look at that. Literally right on that neckline, there's a little bit of a support around that range, which would put the price of Vechain back at that 0.017 cents mark. Yup, you've heard that correct. And going back to what I always say, listen to me carefully, guys. I treat you guys as family, and I want you guys to succeed in this market. And this is why, if you want clarification, if you want proof, go on any of my videos. Any single video of mine, you will see me say one exact same thing over and over again. Some people might get tired of it, but I don't get tired of it, because I always like reminding. Even if one person listens to me, 2 or 3 people listen to me, that means my message has gone. I always remind that take profits. Get rid of your greed. Have to take profits. If you don't take profits, guess what? Your profits can vanish in a snap of a finger. So imagine you could have been locking in some profits at that 3.2 cents mark and be picking it up some right now. And now you might have lost that and you can't even pick up any. So this is why I always say lock in profits. If you don't have an exit strategy in place, sorry to say, you're not going to succeed in this market, because you cannot guess where to take profits, where to not, or you can't, the price is going to go here and that's where I'm going to lock in my entire profits. Absolutely not. You got to scale out slowly but surely. And that's how you succeed in this market. And this should be a learning lesson for everyone. As fast as you can make gains in these markets, and that's as fast as you can lose them. And people have seen this over and over again, but people still don't learn. And it's just how the human psychology works. But this is where we have to train ourselves to think like this. Because if you don't have these kind of strategies in place, you're going to be burnt out and left behind and just wait for another cycle to come. So have an exit strategy in place. If you need help creating an exit strategy, if you want to talk about hidden gems, other altcoins that you want me to cover, and if you do support my channel, come join the Patreon channel. The first link in the description box below. This is where you can interact with me one-on-one. I can help you with exit strategy, like what exit strategy means, why it's so important. Also, you can discuss other altcoins that you want me to look at, etc., etc. So very strongly encourage you guys to come join that. But that is it for today's update in regards to Vechain. Right now, obviously, the entire thing is looking quite bearish, but overall, Vechain has not been holding too bad compared to the Bitcoin momentum. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. Do not forget to smash that like button, and see you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.